What's up? It's Friday. Now, I'm pretty relaxed today. I don't know if you saw my show yesterday, where I was like a 10. Today I'm like a 2. Just chilling. It's Friday. Getting ready for the weekend. Now, I gotta give some credit where credit's due. You're probably wondering about the slick do. So yesterday I went to get a haircut and a full-blown conversation broke out at Remy's. Remy's, the #1 spot to get your haircut here in Vancouver, British Columbia, with locations in Coquitlam, I think Poco, Maple Ridge, and I believe there's more. So I'm getting my haircut. And I gotta give a shout out to Saj, who's in our community now. I gotta tell you what happened. It's too funny. So I'm getting my haircut, and then Saj comes in, and while I'm getting my haircut, he's in there, and he's like standing right beside me, and he's just excited. He's like, "I've been watching your show, Rich. What's going on, bro? What kind of pics can you give me? Can you talk some marijuana stocks?" You know, and I'm like, no. Take a step back, Saj. We need to talk cryptocurrencies. Oh, yeah, cryptocurrencies. Not that I don't love stocks. I love stocks. But we had to talk some cryptocurrencies because I got to enlighten people. I got to educate people. I got to let people know what's up. Because I tell you right now, when I talk to people about cryptocurrencies, nobody knows. It's like the secret sauce. So, I gotta tell you, it was too funny. It was honestly a little bit too funny, okay? So, getting my haircut, and man, and like, doesn't it look good? Like, that's like art right there, right? That's pure art. Remy's, the #1 spot to get your haircut done. They have lineups out the door. My boy only gets his hair cut at Remy's, my son, and I only get my hair cut at Remy's. And why not? I mean, it's a work of art, right? So, Saj is like, "Rich, you gotta give me your pics, Rich. You gotta let me know what's hot, Rich." And my boy who's cutting my hair is like, "Yo, bro, get out of the way." He's like right here. He's trying to cut my hair, and Saj is like right in between us. And while I'm getting my hair cut, a full-blown conversation breaks out in the barbershop. We're all talking stocks. We're talking cryptocurrencies. I'm giving pics. I'm talking Rich TV Live. Man, I'll be honest with you. It's too cool, man. It's too cool. So Saj, if you're watching, give a shout out to the group. Let them know it's true. So I say to Saj, next time I get my hair done, which is like every 3 weeks because I got a lot of hair. I'm like, so next time I get my hair done, can I bring my camera? Can we go live? He's like, yeah. The whole shop is like, please, Rich, do it, Rich. I'm like, you guys don't know me because I'll do it. So, the next time I get my hair cut, we're going to go live from Remy's. I'm going to show you how they do the do. I'm going to show you the conversation that ensues. It started a couple months ago with me talking a little bit about stocks. But now it's just like full-blown conversation. Everybody gets in. Everybody wants to know what's the hot picks, what's hot today, what's going to be hot tomorrow. And honestly, it's starting to just blow me away. It's kind of like Rich TV Live is starting to take on a life of itself. Isn't it? Now the question is, who's watching? Because if you're not watching, well, you're clearly not winning. And if you're not winning, You're clearly not watching. Now, it's okay. I understand. There is a lot of distractions in life. A lot of you have to work. I know it's unfortunate. You're stuck in that rat race. But it's okay. You can join Rich TV Live, join a winning community, and we can help you get out of the rat race. Now let me show you how. Okay? It starts with finding winners. It starts with finding the tools of the gods, which are at our disposal every single day. Well, you know what? We gotta move Remy's to Arkansas, Ron. Because I'll tell you right now, these guys, they get her done. This is pure work. This is pure art right here. And I'll tell you, they got lineups out the door. On a Friday, I don't go on Fridays. I don't go on Saturdays. Because it's just like a club. They got the music pumping, they got TVs, they got couches, all hip-hop and R&B the way I like it. And they pretty much only cut men's hair. They got one woman barber, she will cut women's hair, but they pretty much exclusively work on men's hair. So it's like the man cave. They do a good job. So I'm going to bring it to you guys. I'm going to try to do it live, and we'll try to be interactive, and I'll show you guys what ensues, which is usually very entertaining. Now, one of the hottest promoters in the world is called Pro Trader, okay? If you have not signed up to his alerts, you need to sign up to his alerts immediately. This guy is absolutely on fire, okay? Now, this guy, every pick he's been giving just goes through the roof. Today was absolutely no different, and I must give credit where credit is due, because once again, they have found us a winner. Up 528%! Ooh, yeah. But look at the way they do it. It's instant right at the open. It's just like, pop! They look for the low float picks, and they pop it. Then it comes back down. So if you want to buy their stocks, you got to be very strategic. You got to be a ninja. You got to getting it up, getting it up, getting it up. Take your money and run, because it's up 528%. It's a big winner, but you don't want to get stuck holding the bag. His name is Pro Trader. I've been watching the last 7 picks go up at least 100 to 800% within minutes. It's true. I gotta give credit where credit's due. Pro Trader, man. ICNN. They gave us the alert again this morning. I bet you a lot of you were sleeping on the job. I saw it. Unfortunately, I didn't buy it. Kind of kicking myself right now. That 500% return would have been kind of nice right now. It's nothing worse than having stocks or cryptocurrencies go up in your face and not be able to do something about it. Right? Especially when it goes up in minutes and we're all sitting there saying, I want to find the white rabbit. I want to find the next unicorn. I want to find the next winner. And every single day, this guy is bringing that winner. And it's right in our face. And they ain't doing anything about it. Yeah, that's not a good feeling. Don't like it very much. Gotta make sure I stop that. Start to take advantage of this. Because if you were to buy his last 3 picks and you started with $1,000 and you had reasonably good trading and you could get in first thing in the morning and get out with a nice return, you'd probably be up about $20,000 in a week. I know we're all wondering, when am I going to be able to make some money? When am I going to find that next pick? When am I going to find the next unicorn? And it's right there in our face. And we're not doing anything about it. So, let's wake up, people, man. Let's wake up. I know there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of distractions. It's summertime. Kids are off school. You want to go to the beach. You know, You got to go to work. You got to deal with your boss. You're in that rat race. I know. I get it. It's okay. We here at Rich TV Live, we want you, the people, I want you to have freedom. And the only way you're going to have freedom is if you do something different. What is the definition of insanity? Doing what you've always done and expecting a different result. Would you agree? That is the definition of insanity. So if you're doing what you've always done, but yet expecting a different result, you will never get it. I'm sorry, but it's true. Yesterday I was talking to one of my buddies, great friend, and I get intense. I'm a crazy guy, I get intense, and he's like, I just know it, I'm gonna be rich this year. I don't know how, but I'm gonna be rich. And I was like, bro, snap the fuck out of it, okay? Stop drinking the Kool-Aid. Like, seriously. You're bullshitting yourself. You ain't gonna just be a millionaire overnight because you said so. You gotta do something about it. So go to richtvlive.com right now. Go sign up for all the Bitcoin affiliates and do something about it. Get a trading account and do something about it. Well, I don't got any money to trade. Well, do you have $100? Yeah. Okay, well then you have money to trade. The Cloud Ninja brought a CHC at 46 cents. Yesterday, it was at 680, 650, 660. Oh, that's about over 1,000% return. So if you put $100 in, you would have made $1,000. Now let me ask you a question. Would that extra $1,000 helped you? Well, yeah, of course. Yeah, it would help me. Okay. So why didn't you do it? Because you're too busy worrying about your problems as opposed to doing something about it. So one thing I'm not ashamed of in my life is I'm a doer, man. I got into the stocks full blown. I got into real estate full blown. I got into marriage full blown. I got into kids full blown. Yeah, I'm divorced. Yeah, I lose on stocks. Yeah, I lose on real estate. Yeah, I lose on cryptocurrencies. But you know what? I got in. So I didn't get cheated. I'm not sitting on the sideline saying, I wish I got in. I wish I got in. I wish I got in. Oh, I feel so sorry for myself. Oh, what am I going to do to be a success? If you want to do something about your life and you want to change your life, then you need to act. And if you fail, at least you tried. But if you don't ever try and you live in this little bubble and you're afraid of taking a risk, well, don't ever expect to ever have a different result. You're not going to create freedom. You're not going to stop working at the dead-end job. You're not going to be truly happy. You're not going to live your dreams. You're not going to be truly independent. You're not going to do what you want to do because you're not doing anything different. You're just stuck in what we call the rat race. So I feel like it's my duty on this planet to wake people the fuck up, man. To give people a reality check. If you're stuck at a dead-end job and you don't like it, do something about it. Stop talking shit, man. Stop talking shit. I literally had to yell at my buddy and be like, bro, you're talking so much shit. You ain't gonna do shit. I'm gonna be a millionaire. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. Okay, great. I'm not saying you can't do it, bro. I ain't saying you can't do it. In fact, you're my friend. I want you to do it. I'll help you do it. But what you doing about it? What you doing about it? Are you researching different promoters that are taking stocks up 500% a day and then going in and putting your $100 because your $100 would have been $500 right now? Or are you sitting there at home feeling sorry for yourself, going to the fucking beach, sitting on the fucking sand, while everybody else in our community is looking for the next winner, looking for the next pick, looking for the next hottest cryptocurrency, looking for the next hottest stock, looking for the next hottest real estate investment. What are you doing about it? If you ain't doing about it, you're talking shit. And if all you want to do is talk shit, that's fine. But don't expect a different result. Don't talk about it. Be about it. So yeah, I'm a risk taker. Yeah, I fail. Sometimes I succeed. But I'm not afraid to take a chance. I'm not afraid to jump in with 2 feet. And when I got into stocks, I went in hard. When I got into cryptocurrencies, I went hard. And I'm going to continue to go hard. So don't call me and tell me, Rich, I'm going to be a millionaire. And then when I say to you, okay, how are you going to do it? You say, I don't know how I'm going to do it. I just know I'm going to do it. Because you know what I'm going to say? I'm going to say, stop talking shit. You're talking shit. You know what I mean? Like, seriously. I'm just being real. Because I'm just tired of it, man. I'm tired of it. This whole world is full of people who talk shit. Do it. Don't talk about it. Procrastinators. Don't be a procrastinator. Be a doer. There's a ninja that's part of our community. That I'm very, very proud to say is part of our community. He's a doer. He's the DJ Cloud Ninja. A true doer. Now, DJ Cloud Ninja, just like me, got hurt by a scam called Crypto Clone, where we heard that it was a great opportunity through this website. Right here. It was being featured right here. CoinMarketCap.com. So I'm thinking, must be real, right? Why would they feature it right here? Unless it's real. So we took a risk. And we got scammed. Let's call it Bitcoin University. School of Hard Knocks. So we go, we get scammed. We learn the hard way. And I decided I'm going to focus on YouTube. I'm going to focus on the website. I'm going to take a little break from trading. Get my head right. Kenny, the DJ Cloud Ninja, who's a doer, he says, Rich, I'm going to study these cryptocurrencies. I'm going to master these cryptocurrencies. I'm going to make all my money back. Kenny, man, you are a scholar, my friend. Kenny made it all back, guys. In 2 weeks. In fact, he's now up. And that's what I love to hear. Perseverance. People that are not afraid to get knocked down. Because they understand that in life, you're going to get knocked down. But they realize that sometimes you get knocked down, and it's not about getting knocked down. It's about how you get back up. So Kenny brings me Chaincoin. Says, Rich, I found the unicorn. At the time, I had just got our website back, and I was launching the website, working 24/7, working diligently to build the website. So I was really busy. I thought I was doing the right thing. I didn't actually focus on the stocks. I wasn't really listening. Do I regret it? Yeah, I regret it. I regret it a lot now. Because Kenny is now up over 1,000%. When Kenny brought me this pick, it was at 46 cents. Today is at $4.86. Yesterday, it was at $6, as high as like $6.80, I believe. Let's take a look at the chart. This chart is like nothing I've ever seen. I haven't really seen anything like this. Do you see how it just goes Whoop! That's what I would call a unicorn. That's 1,000% return right there in literally a matter of like a day, 24 hours. And Kenny was here when he told me about it, and I wasn't listening. Now, I'm not going to feel sorry for myself. I'm not going to feel bad about it because I was building my website to grow my business. So it wasn't like I was sitting on the beach. But I'm angry that I wasn't listening because while Kenny was doing this and making all his money back and now in the profit and finding the next biggest, hottest cryptocurrency, other members in our community like Dave Coggins, Dave Craig, and Sherry were setting up their accounts, putting money in, and now they're all up. Congratulations, guys. I'm super happy for you guys. So it makes it okay, kinda, that I didn't get in, but it's deep down in my core, like deep in my core, I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel like shit. Because Kenny told me first, and I was not listening. Sometimes you cannot see the forest through the trees. And that's a perfect example of it. I missed the boat. I missed the opportunity. And I'm getting tired of missing the opportunities. I'm not going to keep missing the opportunities. I'm getting my account ready. Okay? And right now, the market is down for cryptocurrencies. So what do I always tell you guys? Buy in the red, sell in the green. Okay? Right now, there is 811 different cryptocurrencies. We are literally watching the market every single day. We need to continuously find the winners every single day. What is hot in the cryptocurrencies, you say? Well, the beautiful thing about cryptocurrencies, they change so quickly. Look at this. In the last hour, SH, which is 691 out of 811 cryptocurrencies, it's up 115% in the last hour, up 130% in the last 24 hours. What about CNCC? Canation. Wow. Up 559% in the last 24 hours. 103% in the last hour. CNNC, which is 401 out of 811 cryptocurrencies. So do you see the way they rank them? They give you their symbol, they give you the market cap, they give you the price, they tell you how much it's up in the last hour, they tell you how much it's up in the last 24 hours. I love this. I love these tools that are at your disposal. You can get access to the company's websites, you get access to company forums. There's so many different ways to study and learn about cryptocurrencies. And the reality is most people don't know shit about cryptocurrencies. In fact, I would say that less than 1% of the world know anything about cryptocurrencies. Test it out. Go to a party and start asking people who knows anything about Bitcoin. Who here has Bitcoin? And I guarantee you, if you speak to 100 people, you may find one in that room that has Bitcoin. You may find 5 that are like, yeah, I kind of know a little bit about Bitcoin. But then when you actually talk to them about it, they really know nothing. So how many actually truly know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? The reality is, pretty much nobody. So if you, no, not you. You. If you're sitting at home and you're twiddling your thumbs, thinking about the beach this weekend, thinking about what you can do to change your life, thinking about what you can do to create freedom, thinking about what you can do to feed your family, thinking about what you can do to pay for your tuition, to get out of your student debt, thinking about what you can do to pay for your retirement. Rich TV Live is for everyone. We're for the people. Set up your accounts, guys. Okay? Enough is enough. Don't be a talker. Be a doer. Okay? Doers make things happen. Talkers just talk. Okay? If you want to make things happen, you got to act. Okay? All you need to do is go to Rich TV Live right here. Let's go to Rich TV Live. It's really, really simple. Click on Bitcoin. Everything is there. Livecoin, Quadrica, Cryptopia. Livecoin is an exchange where you can go buy and sell and trade different cryptocurrencies. Quadrica is the #1 exchange for Canadians in the world. And it is a great place where you can literally buy Bitcoin at market price. This is where I am now buying all my Bitcoin. Cryptopia is where you can, it's another exchange where you can buy CHC, the chain coin, the hottest cryptocurrency in the universe. Coinigy is where you can go and look at different cryptocurrencies. It's a free platform where you can look at charts. Local Bitcoins is where you could go buy and sell your Bitcoins for cash. Coinbase is a place where you can go and buy Bitcoin instantly through a credit card and be literally buying and selling and trading Bitcoin through Coinbase. It'll go into your wallet and then you can transfer it to any of your exchanges that you want to use. CoinMama is another different platform where you can buy Bitcoin and then transfer it to your exchange. And it's really quick and it's instant. And you can do it with a credit card online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is where I bought Bitcoin first. CoinMama. BitConnect is a platform where this is actually a coin. I think it's around $50, maybe a little less than that, maybe 40 something. But BitConnect is a coin, but it gives you the ability to invest in BitConnect and it pays you interest. So you can invest into BitConnect, lock your money up for a certain period of time, and get interest on your money. These are all different platforms that you can find on richtvlive.com. You don't need to go anywhere else anymore, guys. I go here to do all my Bitcoin links right here. Let's say you want to go and do some fantasy football. We got fantasy football too. Let's say you want to check out some affiliate links. Well, you want to open up an online store? We're now an affiliate for Shopify. You want a Bitcoin wallet? A hardware wallet to store and protect your Bitcoin? Oh yeah, we're an affiliate with Trezor. You can go and get your Bitcoin wallet right here on Rich TV Live. You want to mine Bitcoin? Well, guess what? We're an affiliate with Genesis Mining. I am currently mining Bitcoin every single day, creating revenue streams, guys. Real estate, stock, Bitcoin, making money on YouTube, making money mining Bitcoin, making money trading different cryptocurrencies. I'm creating revenue streams, guys. Now they're small right now. We're just getting started. But over 5 or 10 years, how big do you think they can get? Big enough to create freedom? I think so. What are you doing to create freedom? How many revenue streams do you have? Genesis Mining is one. Hashing24 is another platform to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Hashflare.io is another platform to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Steemit is the #1 social media platform in the world where you can go blog, talk about pretty much anything, and get paid. Also on Rich TV Live. 500 Affiliates is another affiliate relationship we have where you can go and you can find ways to make money. And Control Finance is another platform that we have an affiliation with where you can go make an investment and get paid daily. I believe they pay you 1% a day on your investment. And they trade with your money and they have a team of traders. So I have 25 different affiliate links here on Rich TV Live. Oh yeah, and if you want to learn about stocks, make the right choice. For $5 a trade, you can go to Choice Trade and you can make trades for penny stocks, big board stocks, options, futures, all that Choice Trade for only $5 a trade. You want to trade cryptocurrencies? You want to trade stocks? You want to trade Forex? Commodities? There's only one place, Simple FX, right on Rich TV Live, guys. You want to trade more Forex, cryptocurrencies? How about Light Forex? Right on Rich TV Live, guys. You want to learn about buying and selling pressure? You want to know if a stock is a good stock? You want opinions? Bar chart, right on Rich TV Live, guys. You want to go and take a look at The markets? You want to learn about stocks? You want to know what's trending? Investing.com on Rich TV Live, guys. You want to learn about penny stocks, OTCQB stocks, OTC market stocks, OTCQX stocks. Guess what? It's also on Rich TV Live, guys. OTC markets right there. You want to go to a forum where they're talking stocks and there's millions of people talking stocks every single day? Guess what, guys? It's on Rich TV Live. It's called Warrior Forum. And if you want to go and give your opinion on stocks, you can go to StockTwits, follow me. It's also on Rich TV Live. So what we've done here is we've created a one-stop shop for everything entrepreneurial. And if you have any affiliate links, sports links, referral links, ideas, let me know. I'll add it to the site too. I'm a web designer too. So I'm wearing a lot of hats. Wouldn't want to wear a hat because it would ruin my nice hair. But I'm wearing a lot of different tools on my tool belt because I'm trying to create revenue streams. Multiple streams of revenue. I don't have one YouTube channel. I have 11. I don't have one property. I have multiple properties. I don't have one stock. I have multiple stocks. I don't have one cryptocurrency. I have multiple cryptocurrencies. I don't make money in one way. I make money in about 25 ways. So the reality is, what are you doing to change your life? What are you doing to create freedom? And what are you doing to change your situation? If you don't like your situation, you need to do something to change it. So Rich TV Live, more than anything else, it's an awakening. It's time for you guys to just get off the couch and realize what's happening. So many of you are stuck in your rat race. So many of you are stuck in your dead-end jobs. So many of you are stuck in a life that you don't love. I'm doing exactly what I want to do. I'm exactly where I need to be. And I'm living my life with passion. I am doing light work. I'm a light worker. I am for the people. I'm not focused on the money. I'm focused on the process. But when Kenny Lee, the Cloud Ninja, says, Rich, you got to look at CHC, Rich. I'm going to buy CHC, Rich. It's the hottest cryptocurrency in the world, Rich. You got to take a look at CHC, Rich. And I don't listen, and then it goes up. Trust me when I tell you, I'm not okay with that. I'm not okay with that. In fact, I'm embarrassed about the fact that I missed the opportunity. And I'm now getting myself set up and getting prepared to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So please ask yourself, what are you doing to change your situation? What are you doing to create freedom? And how are you going to change your situation? What are you doing to change your situation? Why are you trying to change your situation? Who is going to help you change your situation? Rich TV Live. You came to the right place. If you don't know what to do, you came to the right place. Because we know exactly what to do. We know what it's going to take. And as a community, we have a community of winners. And we are following the winners. And we will continue to follow the winners. Now let's take a look at some more winners. CNC, tell me guys, what's up? Let me know what's up with CNC right now.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
So a lot of people in our community are saying Chaincoin at 441 is a buy opportunity, guys. I don't know if it is or it isn't. All I know is, at 40 cents, it was a buy. At 441, I can't tell you whether or not it's a buy or sell. I'm not here to tell you guys when to buy or sell. I'm not licensed. I am not Nostradamus. I am Richstradamus. I like to buy in the red, sell in the green. I'm not chasing stocks or cryptocurrencies ever again. I ain't doing it. So, at the end of the day, all I can tell you is, let's look for clues, and let's look for winners, and let's buy in the red and sell in the green, okay, guys? Now, let's take a look at a few other picks. Now, take a look at this one. It's absolutely on fire. Let's bring out the angel of mercy for this one, shall we? Ooh, yeah. That's winning up 140%. Traded 18 million shares, and we're going to start dating right now. At 57 cents and on the NASDAQ, up 140%. Now remember, NASDAQ stocks have to be at least at $1 not to get delisted. So these companies under $1 are under a ton of pressure to take the stock up. Now, I'm not chasing nothing up 140%. What I'm suggesting you guys do is put it on your watch list, put it on your radar, just watch it. Just watch it. And when it goes in the red, that's when you buy. And when it's up 141%, that's when you sell. Get me? Got me? How about this one? RKDA. Another winner. It's got chicken dinner written all over it. Look at this. Woo! Right up. 35% up on the NASDAQ. Traded 1 million shares. We are now dating Now, would you like some more winners? I don't got really big sleeves today, but there are some winners up these very short sleeves. Would you like them? CGI up 27% on a Friday. Traded 4.4 million shares. It was right on the open. Look at this. Whoop! Shall we date? Look at the date. Another New York Stock Exchange deal. And fuego. Okay, enough, Angel of Mercy. I think I've heard enough of you. Thank you. Enough is enough. Jeez. You can only take the Angel of Mercy in small doses. You know what I mean? Otherwise, it just gets really annoying. Sounds like a lot of white noise. How about this? This is do or die. You ready? This is what we call do or die. Now, here's one that I absolutely love, and I'm an owner of it, and we're really good friends of the show. They're really good friends of the show. We're really good friends of the company. You gotta do or die to stay alive, guys. To stay alive. I want to bring back the disco days. It is the weekend. So, BVTK, I've been talking about it every day, and it's up yet again 10%. At 002 by 0021, traded 24 million shares. I think something's brewing. What do you guys think? You think something's cooking? I've got this feeling in my gut. deep down in the core, something's brewing. You gotta stay alive to survive. All right. I got one more for you guys. You ready? How about this one? On the NASDAQ, we're going to start dating right now. EIGR up 36% at $10. Traded 692,000 shares. Ooh, yeah. Oh, no. Ooh, yeah. Is it do or die time for you? Do you need a change? Then wake the fuck up! Pardon my French. So, Kenny, I know you're watching. Sherry, I know you're watching. We just talked some stocks. Let's talk some cryptocurrency now. What is hot? What is not? What should we buy? What should we be watching? What should we be watching, people? Is there anything that we need to be watching in the markets? The beautiful thing about cryptocurrencies, they trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, okay? Literally, you could be buying them 5 a.m. on a Saturday, 5 p.m. on a Sunday, 5 a.m. on a Wednesday. That's what I love about them. It's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, I'm not suggesting you camp yourself in your house, never go to the beach, don't enjoy the summer. I'm not suggesting that. I'm saying do the due diligence, set up your accounts, go to richtvlive.com. Everything is free. Just go in there, set everything up, learn. Get ready, get positioned, and learn. And then do your due diligence. Look at all these companies because they have all their information right there. They actually rank them. You can see the rankings here. You can go to their website. You can go and explore. You can find out announcements. You can see their ranking. Everything is there. And a lot of them also have forums that you can go and join. And you can join the communities and you can join the chat rooms and see what people are talking about so you can learn more about these cryptocurrencies. Get to know the industry. Get in the industry. Don't be on the outside looking in. And then when I say to you, hey, do you know anything about Bitcoin? You say yes. And then I start having a conversation with you and you can't have an intelligent conversation. If you want to have an intelligent conversation, you need to get in. Get in. It's free. Just get in. Set up your accounts. That's what I did. Get in. And then slowly but surely start making small investments into places like Genesis Mining, where you can start making money daily. Start making investments into different cryptocurrencies. Hey Sherry, how you doing?
Hey, long time no talkie. How are you?
I'm doing really good. We are live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy with over 1 billion users. And we are talking We are talking cryptocurrencies, we're talking stocks. So you're calling me at a good time, Sherry. Let's talk about your experience with cryptocurrencies. How's it been so far?
So far, it's been really good. It's very new, so what you say is true. You really got to get into it and read about it and look at it. People that I've talked to in Los Angeles, California, don't know anything. Bitcoin they have no idea. And so you really can't even explain it to them because there's so many different terms and technology about it and what you should do and what you shouldn't do. It's very hard. That is why it's good to be in your community, because I would have never been able to buy the amazing coin without Kenny. And that's why we have the community, so everybody's looking and helping each other. That's why I called, because I wanted to let you know. Thank you again for that. So important. And you really do care about other people. Seriously, it's amazing. So that's what I wanted to tell you, because I am still learning about it. and it's like an everyday process. You gotta
That's right.
listen and go, like you said, go on different sites, look up the coin. Kenny has learned it, I don't know, so quickly. He's able to grasp onto it.
Well,
So
I think
we're all
that
kind of
Sherry, what he did, and I mean, I got into cryptocurrencies. The first guy who got us into cryptocurrencies was Mr. Catan. He was the first.
oh
He was the one
okay.
that bought UNY at 2 cents. It went to 8 cents. He made a 400% return. And then Kenny was the next one. Kenny was second.
Wow.
And then I was third. And I got in after Kenny. So then we started getting people and within our community really starting to get involved. And we probably got about, maybe 20, 30, 40, 50 people into cryptocurrencies within our community because we're still a small community. But the reality
Yeah.
is, the thing I really like about Kenny, and I mean, you can tell the public, tell the people, he was up until 1 a.m. with you setting up your account on CHC the night before it exploded. Correct?
Yes, because it was like help, because you want to do it and do it as fast as you can, because it goes up and down so fast, and you want to get in. So
That's
you
right.
can get it at a good price.
That's right.
So yeah, he had to take me step. We were doing it online for a little bit, and then he just said, "I'm calling you," and I said, "Thank you."
And you know what? And that's amazing. Like, I was watching you guys talk about it on the chat. I was literally building the website at the time. And if I could go back, I would have been setting up my account with you, Sherry. Because I'd be up like huge on my investment like you guys are, and I'd be feeling a lot better about it because there's nothing worse than having a stock go up or a cryptocurrency go up right in your face. That eats me alive. And I've always taken pride in being the guy to never miss the boat. And unfortunately, sometimes in life you get busy. And I'm not ashamed because I wasn't sitting on the beach while it was happening. I was working, building my business. So I'm not ashamed of it, but it doesn't mean it feels good. It doesn't mean it feels good to know that you got in, both Dave's got in, Kenny got in, and I didn't because Kenny told me about it first. And he was like, "Rich, you got to look at CHC." And I was just like, yeah. I was hearing it, but I wasn't listening. Do you know what I mean?
Exactly.
I wasn't really listening.
I totally know.
And I'm kicking myself now. I'm kicking myself. And you know what? The same thing happened with Dan, the IT guy. He's been telling me about BVTK since it was in the 000s. And I was hearing, but I wasn't listening. And now I finally got into BVTK and I feel good. I feel like I could sleep at night because now if it goes back up to a penny or something higher, I'll be able to profit from it. And I don't have to sit on the sidelines and feel like, I'm eating myself alive. Like the way I've been feeling with CHC. I've been feeling so just frustrated about it because I feel like I should have got in. I should have listened to Kenny. And even before all of this happened, I was talking to Kenny about the fact I was just going to copy trade him. And I was just going to follow him. And I was going to buy whatever he was going to buy. And I told him I would give him 20% of my returns. And I still will. So I'm just setting my accounts up. And I really, really like CHC. But he has 2 other picks that he told me about that he really likes that I'm thinking about buying. Those are EXCL, the exclusive coin, which is up 81% today, guys. And which also has masternodes. So put EXCL on your radar. Put it on your watch list. I wouldn't chase it and buy it when it's up 81%. It might keep going up, but I like to buy in the red and sell in the green. I want to be patient. I want to be a sniper. I want to be a ninja, okay? And I suggest you do the same, Sherry. And I suggest everybody watching all over the world does the same, okay? And then the other pick that he has that he brought us, which also has masternodes, which a masternode, what do you know about masternodes, Sherry? Do you know anything about masternodes?
That's what my next question, because I do and I don't, but I think that the people that are watching will probably go, "What?" So please explain.
You know what? Maybe I get Kenny to call.
Really? That'd be awesome.
Yeah, because he's the true expert. As far as I'm concerned, what I've learned about masternodes, the other pick that is also a masternode that went up dramatically, now it's come back, is NTRN. Now, yesterday, it was as high as 41 cents. Today, it's back to 9 cents. So it's down 41%. It may be signaling a buying opportunity, but this is a company that also has masternodes. Now, what I've learned about masternodes is they're almost like a dividend. So when you have enough of this coin, you get like a masternode, which is like having a Bitcoin. And once you get to a certain amount of coins and you get a full masternode, you actually start generating revenue, recurring revenue on a daily basis through having a masternode. So it's like having
Right, that's the goal.
it's like having
Yes,
a
that's the
stock
goal.
that pays a high paying dividend. So how oh, there's Kenny Lee. Hold on. Hey Kenny, what's up, buddy?
Hey, what's up?
Hey man. I'm trying to have Sherry added. 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Sherry,
Yes.
for some reason,
Yes.
it's not allowing me to do a three-way. So let me speak with Kenny, and then afterwards, if you like, you can jump back on, because I don't know. I'm going to have to call my phone company, because for some reason, I don't have three-way service. So I'll have to figure that out.
You know what? Do it, because you need him, and people need him, and he's best. So take it away. I'm going to go do some more research. Thank you so much for everything.
And thank
Have
you
a
for
good day.
calling, Sherry. We'll talk to you soon.
Soon. Bye.
Cheers. Bye-bye. Hey, Kenny. How you doing, buddy?
Hey,
So,
doing all right.
what do you think about NTRN? Yesterday, it was at 41. Now it's back down to 9 cents. You think it's a buying opportunity, Kenny?
Yeah, if it's down at 9 cents, that's a good price right there.
That's what I'm thinking, right? Like, this is a good sniper opportunity here at 9 cents. And you said that this one, Neutron, NTRN, that was the one that you said has.
It already got dumped, right?
That's right. So I'm thinking it's down 41%, and we left to buy in the red and sell in the green. I just wanted to know your opinion. Do you think this is a good buying opportunity, or you think this might go lower?
I think it might go lower.
I mean, you look at their chart, they just absolutely exploded. And now they're back down. I mean, they were at.
There's a lot of toxic sellers on there right now.
Hey, Kenny?
Yeah.
They were at 009, like literally like yesterday. Went all the way to 41 cents, and now they're back to 9 cents. So they're still up like 1,000% from where they were even yesterday. So it's kind of scary. Like, you don't know what to do. Sorry, not yesterday. July 3rd. July 3rd, they were at 009. So they're still up 1,000% from those prices. So they definitely could go lower. But let's talk about masternodes. This is a company that you said has masternode, correct?
Yes.
Now,
And it's the cheapest masternode you could probably get.
so it's the cheapest masternode you can get. And you've shown us three masternodes. NTRN, EXCL, and CHC. Are those the only three that you found that have masternodes?
They have a lot more. Dash has a masternode.
Dash, okay, perfect. And CHC is being compared to Dash, correct?
I believe Dash took the algorithms from Chaincoin.
Because I know that there's a lot of guys trying to say that they believe CHC is going to be like the next Dash, which would be
have the exact same algorithm. So.
Which would be amazing, obviously, because Dash is trading well over $160, I believe, right now, right?
Yeah.
So, and I mean, CHC is only at $4, so that would be an opportunity of a lifetime. Now, can you talk a little bit about masternodes? Because you're obviously a lot more knowledgeable about masternodes. I didn't even know anything about masternodes until just recently, until you talked about it. So, can you let us know a little bit about masternodes?
Like masternodes, it's like a little server you can set up on your computer.
Okay.
And it gives you an ROI daily from if you have one masternode, and every time the price increases, the ROI increases as well at the same time.
And what does it take to get one masternode? Like if you had
coins, 1,000 coins for one masternode. Right now, at that price, it's probably going to be $4,000.
Okay, so so it doesn't matter what the price of the coin is, you need 1,000 coins to have one masternode.
Yes.
Okay, so that's simple. So masternode. I'm a good student. I like to write things down. 1,000 coins. So once you get 1,000 coins, it equals one masternode. And then that one masternode then pays you a dividend almost on a daily basis.
Exactly.
So at that point, you don't even need to sell your coins. You can just
Exactly.
hold on to your coins and get paid. Now, I believe we were doing some numbers, and at the time we were figuring that it was going to cost about $1,800 to buy one masternode on CHC. Now it's a lot more because the price is higher. So it's
Right.
going to be about $4,000 for one masternode of CHC, but that one masternode will pay you out just under $4,000 a year. Is that correct?
Yes.
So that's pretty damn good. You're making almost 100% a year on your money to have one masternode.
And I think Max is saying you don't even have to have a master node. He's trying to have like a payout for people that are hodling.
Now, can you talk about Max a little bit? Because Max is the one who introduced us to CHC. And
Max is he kind of does reviews on Android phones, and that's all he does, really. And his father is an inventor, and he lives in Daly City, California.
but do you want to talk a little bit about his channel so people can find
Oh
him?
yeah, his channel is High on Coins. Yet he has good information, and he doesn't like trolls. And he started this advanced HODL technology.
Yeah, so let's talk about this advanced HODL technology because it's totally mind-boggling. I was watching Max yesterday. He's actually on Rich TV Live as a related channel, so I feel very fortunate that we are related to him because he is absolutely brilliant. And I was watching him and I was really impressed because I've been in the markets for about 18 years. I've never seen anybody actually control the markets. He has done an incredible job of literally trying to control the market. He is creating buying walls and selling walls and trying to tell people don't sell and trying to tell everyone to buy to create buying walls to drive the price up and trying to tell everyone not to sell so that it doesn't crush the stock or crush the cryptocurrency back down. And what it's done is it's created a buying frenzy so that this cryptocurrency had the opportunity to absolutely explode up 1,000%. And you told me yesterday that he literally just took this coin because he likes coins that have been around for 3 years or more or 2 years or more, and CHC's been around since 2014. He took this coin as an experiment and said, let's just test this out. And literally with his own little community of about, at the time I think it was 5,000, he's probably close to 10,000. He's growing so fast now because he's made a name for himself. But in a short period of time with a small little community, he's literally taken this cryptocurrency, which isn't even his own, and he's made it go up over 1,000% in days.
It's pretty crazy.
So to me, it's absolutely mind-boggling. And being someone that's been in the marketplace for a long time, I have never really seen anyone do that. There's a lot of promoters out there, like I talk about Pro Trader, and he's done a very good job promoting like the last 10 stocks. He's like literally they've all gone up hundreds of percent. So there are people that are willing and able to do that in the market, but they're called more promoters. This is a guy that is just an average guy, a normal guy that had an idea. He had a concept, and he's been able to execute it. And he calls it hodling. Can you explain a little bit about what hodling is? Because when you said hodling, I didn't even know what hodling was, and I thought you were spelling holding wrong. I was like, bro, you spelled holding wrong. You're like, no, that's hodling. That's what it is. I'm like, what the fuck is hodling? You know what I mean?
I don't really know what hodling is, but I'm just guessing it's holding.
I think hodling is the art of holding a stock because I was watching Max and he was talking about having big balls.
Yeah.
He was talking about holding the stock and having balls of steel. And if you're somebody that sells these cryptocurrencies, they literally call you out in the community. I couldn't believe it. They were calling people out for selling, which I've never heard of in my life. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, you should be able to sell if you want to.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's different. I find it unique. I mean, I don't need to sell. I got no problem holding. So, I know I got brass balls. So, I ain't afraid. But at the end of the day, you know, I just thought it was interesting because you just don't see that every day. And you definitely don't see it being successful. And we were literally in a group chat yesterday. You were in there and I was in there with a guy called Random Tantrums.
Yeah.
And this guy he's live streaming every day, 24 hours a day. Like, I've never seen anything like it. He's been live streaming consistently since July the 12th. Like, he never goes offline.
He started the advanced HODL technology 2.5.
Yeah. Like, I don't know what's going on, but these guys are just literally live streaming 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. These guys don't sleep. And all they do is talk about hodling. And this hodling technology of everybody buying and nobody selling is absolutely mind-boggling. And if we can get in on every single pick and we can be a part of these communities that are literally buying, holding, and we're just going to hold and see great returns, I mean, this can change our lives. And it will definitely help us create freedom. Now, what has CHC done for you so far, Kenny? Has it been successful for you?
Oh yeah, like I've lost a lot of money because I took out all the money from my E-Trade account and put it into Litecoin, and I invested in crypto clone. I lost a lot of money on that, and I gained all that back with CHC. So and
Good
more.
job. Good job, buddy. I'm super proud of you, man. That's a great example of how do you handle problems in life. When you get knocked down, do you put your tail between your legs and run to mommy? Or do you learn from it and say, okay, it was a learning experience, and then get back to work, get back on that horse, and get back to battle? And you know what, Kenny, man, you're a great example of it. Because you literally told me, you're like, Rich, I'm going to find the next winner. I'm going to get it all back. And literally 2 weeks later, you're back on top, bro. I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. And you know what? I know that this is just the beginning, man. Not only are you back, but now you're going to start seeing huge returns. And I'm just getting my accounts ready right now. I'm getting prepared because I want to be right there with you, bro. I want to be right there with you, hodling, and being a part of this army. I saw Max yesterday talking about looking for generals on YouTube. Max, if you're watching Rich TV Live, we want to be one of your generals, Max. We got what it takes, and we got brass balls here. We're not afraid to hold, and we will follow your lead, my friend. Believe me, we will follow your lead. All right, Kenny, we've been live for an hour, buddy. You got anything else you want to talk to the people about?
Yeah, buy CHC.
All right, guys. You heard it here first. Buy CHC. What price is it at right now? Let's pull it up. Wow. It's back to 528, guys. It was just at 441, creating a buying opportunity. Kenny was in the chat room telling everybody to buy it, and it's back up to 528. This is absolutely unbelievable. This is unprecedented. I've never seen anything like it before, and I'm just getting myself prepared. I'm getting my accounts ready, and I will be in, Cloud Ninja. I will be in right beside you very, very soon, my friend. Mark my words.
For sure.
All right, Kenny. Keep up the good work, buddy. Keep the winning happening. If you find any other winners, please let me know. I'll do my best to get in with you, buddy. And other than that, have yourself a great day. And I hope you enjoy some really good chicken dinner, my friend.
All right, cool.
All right, buddy. Peace out, brother. Cheers. All right, guys. Let's give it up. I'm going to bring out some really good tunes for the Cloud Ninja because he's a champ. And the champ deserves the champ. Would you agree? The champ deserves championship music, winning music, only the biggest, only the brightest. Let's bring out the champ. Kenny Lee is a true ninja warrior. Winning is his middle name. Is it your middle name? Have you not got in? Why? That's the question I have for you. Why? Ask yourself that question. What's holding you back other than yourself? All right, guys. We've talked stocks. We talked cryptocurrencies. I don't know what else to talk about. So I'm out. I love you guys. Get off the couch. Get out of that dead-end job. Set up your accounts. Go to www.richtvlive.com. Everything is free. Set everything up. Do your due diligence. Get in and win. Alright, peeps. It's about that time. I'm going to leave you with the hottest cryptocurrency in the planet. The chain coin. Gotta love the chain coin. I'm out. We'll talk to you soon. I love you guys. Bunch of freedom fighters. Follow the light. Peace. You want to see their website? Chaincoin, welcome to the future. When it comes to banking and controlling your own money, we've had limited options. However, with the emergence of digital currency, we now have the choices. Chaincoin is a currency that offers freedom from centralized banking, and we will allow you to use digital currency in the real world. Wake up, people! Things are changing. Are you changing? Are you winning? Because if you're not winning, you're not watching! And if you're not watching, what the hell is wrong with you? Just kidding, kinda. Want to learn about masternodes? It's right there. Masternodes.